Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is a conservative coin collector, and with Christmas around the corner, I'm doing some thinning out of my collection here to make way for new stuff. I'm going to downgrade from this box to this container that used to hold rainbow sherbet. I'm going to dump the box out and see exactly what's in here. There's a lot of loose coins in here, and they're all world coins. They're all foreign. They're probably all coming from this giant bag of out-of-focus foreigns here. Hello. I have just a lot of world coins. This is quite a massive collection I've acquired for myself. I actually used to have 2 bags of world foreign coins, but considering this bag is so large, I just dumped the first set of coins with the second set of coins, and there's gotta be 80 countries here. I could definitely see how coins leaked out of this thing, because when it tips over, this thing's kind of open a little bit, but hopefully in the container here it's a little more self-contained. When it comes to my dollar bills here, I don't know if I'm probably gonna keep my dollar bills in this box for right now. Probably have room for both in my safe, but all my Trump coin memorabilia is gonna go in the sherbet container. This coin I found here, I totally forgot I had, but I'm glad that I found, because it's a 2-sen coin. It's Japanese, and they minted the sen from 1873 to 1884, and they minted it again in 1892, so it's a very old Japanese coin. I'm not expert at grading American coins, let alone Japanese coins, but this particular sen coin, I think is from 1883, but either way, the coins on the lower end are between $1.80 and $3, and if they're extra fine, they're between $15 and $25. And if they're MS60, it's up between $175 and $450. But I don't think it's MS60 condition, because I wouldn't have it. I don't remember where I got it, but let's say it was a Christmas gift, or it was an extra gift, and let's say I got a junk silver, they wouldn't give me the MS60 one. I can tell you that. But knowing it's from the 1880s is pretty cool. A lot has happened in Japan since then. 2 nuclear weapons, World War II, and everything in between. Dumping out this bag of coins, I found another Japanese sen coin, and it's probably from the same era. I'll actually put it with this sen coin here. And I used to think I found another Japanese sen coin. It is a 1/2 sen. A half sen is equivalent to what a halfpenny would be in America. It's 1/200th of a yen. And they were minted from 1873 to 1888. I'm going to stick it with my yen coins here. Let's see. I can actually get rid of this bag altogether. I'm going to stick it all with the sen here. And these are all, I wouldn't necessarily say ancient, but they are very old foreigns. I even think some of these are 90% silver. This is German. These are all old German coins. And they're definitely before Nazi money. 1875. A lot of them are from 1900 to 1914. So late 1800s, early 1900 German coins. Pre-Nazi money. And I actually do have some Nazi money to show you when I put this away. Get this 1890 Morgan dollar. It was the very first Morgan dollar I ever got, and it's actually in pretty good condition. And silver being bonkers as of late, I actually think it's worth even more now. You can see the full Liberty headband, and we can see all of the details, all the stars. On the back, you can see the full eagle, and stars on the back. There's In God We Trust. It's actually a pretty decent shaped coin. Uncirculated ones, which I mean, it looks more circulated than uncirculated, but heavily circulated, so between $20 and $70. But uncirculated and mint state ones can sell for between $50 and $100. Of course, if this was the cream of the crop museum quality, it could fetch $10,000 to over $16,500. But I don't think it's that. Here is some of the Nazi money that I was telling you about. It's from an ugly, ugly part of history. But it's good to have these coins. If we don't learn from our history, we are doomed to repeat it. I was able to stick my dollar bills on there. I just have to stick them vertically instead of horizontally. And they're mostly World Bank notes that are only face value anyway, so any crease, I don't think there's going to be any crease because they're going to be straight up in the container. And the one that I was most concerned about is this birthday note. It's going to stay in the plastic in here. The plastic is very hard to bend. The last I have, these are my oldest coins. This one is from the Roman Empire, from back when Constantine the Great ruled, circa 330 AD. And then the oldest one that I got was when I was in Tennessee several months ago in May. It's an ancient Greek bronze coin, and the latest is 300 AD, and it could be from 400 BC. 400 years before Christ was born. Or it could be 300 years after he left the earth. I'm not sure. I was not around when these coins were minted, so into the plastic they go. I was able to make some room for the new coins in my collection. And this box, I'm actually going to dispose of off the camera. And yeah, that's the video. I'm the Conservative Coin Collector. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell icon. Do all that good stuff. And well, I'll see you next time. So long, YouTube.